25 years ago, we started the Edible Schoolyard Project right here at Martin Luther King Jr. Middle School.
When the students come to the Edible Schoolyard Project, they enter into a space that is filled with wonderment and that is meant to provoke curiosity.
They get to go out into the garden and plant and grow and harvest their own food and then bring it into the kitchen to prepare nourishing, delicious meals.
So this isn't really a gardening class or a kitchen class. It's a math class or a science class in the garden.
Meaning they're learning the chemistry of compost, or learning history, art, and the humanities while in our kitchen classroom making dumplings or cooking a curry.
The Edible Schoolyard Network was launched in 2010 as we recognized that school gardens were growing across the country.
This network provides educators an opportunity to connect with each other, share resources, and also download some of our Edible Schoolyard Project resources.
We have just shy of 5,000 programs on our network within the United States and nearly 800 around the world.
In March of 2020, schools began to close because of the COVID-19 global pandemic.
Since the start of school closures, we've pivoted to offering edible education at home,
which is a suite of over 44 lessons for families to download and use in their home classroom environment.
In the 6 months since the start of Shelter in Place, we saw just around 30,000 downloads of our curriculum resources.
The demand for these programs was overwhelming, and it was super exciting to see so many people engage and be so excited about leveraging the home as a classroom for learning and edible education.
We have climate change upon us, and what better place to make dramatic change than in the public school system, because they are a very big buyer of food.
So in 2018, we launched our Pledge to Public Education.
Now this pledge is about school lunch.
We want to provide an organic school lunch to all children, K through 12. Imagine if that food was procured from farmers and ranchers who are utilizing regenerative organic practices and who are also taking care of the farm workers in their fields. Imagine the impact that we could have, not only on climate change, but on our food system and on our communities. Join us in this beautiful and meaningful work by making a gift in honor of our 25th anniversary.